I previously made a video about using foam poster board to block out your windows when stealth camping in the city. Today I'm going to show a different method that blocks out the back window in particular. Since the inside of my car is all plastic and fabric, I'm going to need to be working from the outside of my car. This is because I will be working with magnets, and the magnets stick better to the outside of my car, which is metal. These are heavy-duty magnets that you can purchase at any craft supply store. You'll also see that I am using a piece of fabric, which is really just a black sheet, that I am using the magnet to attach the black sheet to pretty much the frame of the back window hatchback of my car. Once I've attached the sheet to the car with the magnets, I am still able to close the hatchback perfectly fine. Then when I'm done using the sheet, I can quickly and easily remove the magnets, remove the sheet, and I'm good to go. Thank you for watching another quick and easy tips from Car Camp Seattle.